How to set up a custom YouTube URL. Let's get started. So, it's time to level up your brand and take your YouTube channel to the next level. In this video, we are going to show you the newest and most updated way to change your YouTube channel name and create a custom URL. We'll also cover how to remove your custom URL and claim a new one if needed. Let's dive right in. Launch your YouTube and head over to the option of View. Click on the option of View channel. Click on this pen kind of icon. Then, navigate to this option of Handle. Changing this will also change your channel URL. Just click on it, then make changes and click on Save. By this, your channel URL will also be updated. You can see that. Now let's talk about creating a custom URL for your channel. When you first create a YouTube channel, you are given a default URL, a long string of letters and numbers. But to strengthen your branding and make it easier for people to find your channel, you'll want to create a custom URL. To do this, there are a few requirements. You will need at least 100 subscribers, your channel has to be at least 30 days old, and you must have a profile picture and a banner image uploaded. If you meet these criteria, you are ready to create your custom URL. In this page, you'll find the option of custom URL. You just have to click on it and then type in your desired URL. After you are done, you can click on Save. So this way you can set up a custom YouTube URL. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.